This video reviews the Trac 10TRx FreeRunner assembly procedure. Required tools. Step 1. Unpack all the parts and inspect for damage. Step 2. Install the beauty rings and upright handrails onto the handrail assembly. Route wires through the right side upright beauty ring and then through the handrail. Snug the fasteners but do not fully tighten. Tap the upright handrail to ensure it's fully seated against the handrail assembly, then torque to 35 foot-pounds. Step 3. Slide the handrail grommets into the handrails and make sure the grommet's flat side is inside as they are left-right specific. Step 4. With 2 people, carefully lift the handrail assembly and lay it onto the base frame. Once the handrail assembly is set onto the frame, route the wires through the hole in the frame. Step 5. With 2 people, carefully lift the handrail assembly and install it onto the frame. Caution: be careful not to damage the wires when installing the handrail assembly. Step 6. Route the cable bundle into the motor compartment. Connect the cables to their corresponding connections both on the motor control board and the C-safe and coax cables. Step 7. Have one person lift upwards on the handrail assembly while the other person uses a torque wrench and a 19mm socket to lock the handrail assembly into the frame. Step 8. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the front side bed covers to the frame so they are able to be lifted up. Install the motor shroud, reinstall the side bed cover screws, and then secure the motor shroud to the frame using 2 M5 by 16mm pan head machine screws. Step 9. Install the left side corner shroud to the frame using 4 M5 by 16mm pan head machine screws. Repeat this step for the right corner shroud. Note: ensure the handrail grommets are sandwiched between the motor shroud and the side shrouds. Step 10. Use a Phillips screwdriver to secure the back console shroud to the console mount using 10 number 8 by 18 by 3/4 inch screws and M4 by 12mm flat washers. Step 11. Connect the cabling from the unit to the console as shown, ensuring there are no cables pinched, then use a Phillips screwdriver to attach the display front to the back. Step 12. Before plugging in the treadmill, ensure it's moved to its final position and level by using a 9/16 open-ended wrench to adjust the 4 leveling feet. Once it's level, use a 3/4 inch open-ended wrench to tighten the lock nut on each foot, ensuring it's locked into place. Step 13. Install the power cord onto the machine. Attach the strain relief zip tie and plug the other end into the wall outlet, and then push the power to the on position. Step 14. Press 0, 2, and OK at the same time to enter the service menu. Then use the elevation up key to select model. Then use the speed key to select 10TRx. Then press OK. Step 15. Ensure nothing is on the belt. Then use the elevation up key to select elevation calibration. And press OK twice to run the elevation calibration. Once the calibration has passed, press the stop key on the hotbar to go back to the service menu. Step 16. Ensure nothing is on the belt. Use the elevation up key to select motor calibration, and then press the OK button twice to run a motor or speed calibration. Once the calibration has passed, press the stop key on the hotbar twice to go back to the main workout menu. Additional resources.